everyone. My name is Naikelin Burgos Tirado, and I'm a graduate student at the University of Michigan. Today, we will be talking about the importance of steroid hormones in our bodies, where they come from, and how a family of steroid hormones can fuel metastatic prostate cancer. I will also be talking about what I study so that eventually we can have better therapeutics for this cancer. But first, what are steroid hormones? Some of you might have heard of steroids in regards to sports and athletes doping to legally enhance their performance. However, our bodies create a lot of steroid hormones, and these have very important roles in how our body functions. For example, steroid hormones are important for things like how we study and learn new information. Steroid hormone balances can also affect our moods, like feeling stress, happiness, and pleasure. They also have a role in our sleep and wake cycle, suggesting to our bodies when it's time to rest and when it's time to be active. Steroid hormone balance can influence our healthy bones, our immune system, and our growth and development. Also, they have an important role in sexual function and reproductive growth and health. One type of steroid hormone are called androgens. These are male sex hormones that promote the development and maintenance of male sex characteristics. Androgens are made in the testes, and some androgens are made in the adrenal glands. Poor regulation of steroid hormones can lead to disease, and today we will be focused on the dysregulation of androgens and metastatic prostate cancer. Prostate cancer affects 1 in 7 men, and of those men affected with prostate cancer, 1 in 2 are at risk of developing metastatic prostate cancer. But what is prostate cancer? Prostate cancer is caused by changes in the DNA of a normal prostate cell. Cells in our body divide. When a mutation in a healthy cell division occurs, processes in our body solve the problem and the cell dies. However, when those processes fail, mutations keep dividing, and more mutations occur until there is uncontrolled cell growth leading to cancerous tumors. In the case of prostate cancer, androgens fuel the cellular growth of prostate cancer cells, similar to adding gasoline to a fire. Patients with prostate cancer are treated with hormone therapy, specifically androgen deprivation therapy, blocking androgen production in the testes, or similar to adding water to that fire to control it. However, as I mentioned before, some androgens are also made in the adrenal glands, and this is relevant for patients with metastatic prostate cancer. To better understand metastatic prostate cancer, we have to first talk about how steroid hormones are created in our bodies. Steroid hormones are made by enzymes. Enzymes are proteins that speed up chemical reactions. These enzymes can break down or form new chemicals. How this happens is similar to a lock and a key. The lock represents the enzyme, and the substrate or chemical that will be broken down to form a new product is the key. When the key is inserted into the lock, this is called the enzyme-substrate complex. From there, the enzyme speeds up or catalyzes the reaction to obtain the product. This catalysis is usually 10 million times faster than when there is no enzyme, and different enzymes can make different steroid hormones. P450-17A1 is an essential enzyme important for the chemical reaction that makes androgens. However, like Batman and Bruce Wayne, they are the same person, but one is a millionaire and the other a vigilante. P450-17A1 is also important for a second reaction that makes cortisol. Cortisol is a steroid hormone important for sleep cycle, metabolism, blood pressure regulation, and much more. Going back to metastatic prostate cancer, as I mentioned before, some androgens are also made in the adrenal glands by P415-17A1. Patients with metastatic prostate cancer are treated with androgen deprivation therapy, plus other side-by-side treatments depending on each case. One of those treatments is abiraterone acetate. Abiraterone acetate blocks P450-17A1 from making androgens. However, it also blocks P415-17A1 from making cortisol. Due to treatment and co-treatment side effects such as high blood sugar, bone health problems, how other steroid hormones are made in our bodies, among other side effects, an unmet clinical need is to selectively block the reaction that results in androgens in patients with metastatic prostate cancer without affecting the cortisol. Therefore, my project's focus is on understanding the differences between the cortisol reaction and the androgen reaction. What we learn can be used to design specific better therapeutics for the treatment of metastatic prostate cancer and other steroid hormone diseases associated with P415-17A1.